Brake.
Oh. I'm sorry.
No, it's
So you've put your foot on the brake, didn't you?
sorry?
You put your foot on the brake, didn't you? Oh. I don't know.
Hey guys, for today's mock driving test, we have Charlie, who's travelled quite a distance today. Where do you come from?
Leeds.
Leeds, yeah. So a couple of hours in the train today, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so I've just picked up Charlie from the train station. He's here for me to assess his driving, and he wants to see if he can pass one of these mock tests. Yeah. Have you got your test booked or anything at the moment?
Nope.
No. Tell us a bit about your lessons. How many lessons have you had, and your driving experience so far?
I've done about 10 hours with my instructor, but he didn't teach me much. And then I've done a bit of driving with my parents and my friends. But
Okay.
that's about it.
So what do you mean, like, you know, when he didn't teach you much?
Just, yeah, we pretty much just driving around. That's
Okay,
it.
so not much structure, yeah?
No.
Okay, cool. I get you. I mean, every driving lesson should have some sort of structure. You should start with a set goal, and then yeah. But hopefully you have picked up some stuff driving about. You've been watching the videos as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you done your theory yet?
Not yet.
No. On that point, there's a free theory section now in the Ultimate Driving course. We got the hazard perception clips, and obviously all the questions, the DVSA questions. So any of you guys that are still have to do your theory, please use the Ultimate Driving course. The theory section in that, it's totally free for you guys to use. Yeah. Right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Move off whenever you're ready, please.
How do I start the car?
Good question. Okay. Right. So what you do is you foot on the brake, clutch fully down, and just press that button. That's it. It's cancel signal for me. So you know, if you do stall anywhere, all you need to do is just put the clutch back down, yeah. To make sure it's in neutral, it'll just restart itself. So you won't have to press the button or anything, yeah. Okay.
Is this on?
Yeah. How can you tell the parking brake's on? Do you know?
I'm not sure.
So the sign at the front on the dash, can you see the circular sign?
Yeah, yeah.
With the two lines around it, yeah? Okay. That tells you that the parking brake's on, yeah? Right. Any questions, Charlie, before we start?
Nope.
Okay, move off when you're ready, yeah?
When moving off, Charlie does stall a couple of times due to not being familiar with how to release an electronic parking brake. So I didn't mark him down for this.
I stalled. Just like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Just need to find the buying point. And again.
Just remember what you got to do here to release a parking brake.
Accelerate.
That's it. That's all you're missing there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So I've got the biting point.
Yeah, you got the buying point really well. That's it.
Oh, there we go.
You got
I
that?
missed the signal.
Don't worry. I'll let you off with that to
Thank
start
you.
off with. Do you feel ready for the driving test?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Definitely not. I need to learn it a little bit more.
So are you expecting to pass today?
No, definitely not.
Okay, at the end of the road, if you could turn left, please.
On the approach to this turn and every other turn, Charlie doesn't check the mirrors before signalling. When turning left, you should check the centre and left mirrors, and when turning right, you should check the centre and right mirrors. Missing these mirror checks just a few times would result in a minor fault, but because this happened continuously, it was marked as a serious fault. Instead of following the curb and keeping to the left, Charlie positions too much to the right.
My bad.
Tony, this kind of stuff, you're still getting used to the car, yeah?
Yeah. I'm not sure if to do the 20 or a 30.
And if you could turn right, please.
Again, on the approach to this turn, there were no mirror checks, and there was a steering fault. Charlie steered quite late, so got close to the pavement.
Sorry about that.
When turning right at this crossroad, he positions well when waiting for the oncoming traffic.
And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left, please.
When parking up, Charlie realises that he's signalled too early as there is a road to our left. It was good that he noticed, but then he blocks a driveway when stopping. There is a sign there too.
Oh no, sorry. I'm not doing good.
Okay, move off when you're ready.
When moving off, Charlie does all the checks including the right blind spot, but then he takes a few seconds to move off, so should have checked the right blind spot again. Remember that right blind spot should be checked just before you move off. When turning right here, we have to wait for the oncoming traffic. Charlie speeds up a little, so I thought he was about to go. I was about to go for the brake pedal, but he stopped in time. Do not make the examiner feel like Charlie made me feel here.
That's all.
Thought you were gonna go there.
Nope. See, you've put your foot on brake, didn't you?
Sorry?
You put your foot on the brake, didn't you?
No, I didn't. I had it ready though. It's not a good sign if you're making the instructor examiner feel like that, yeah.
I know, I'm sorry.
In this clip, Charlie stays in second gear. He's at the correct speed of around 30 miles an hour, but the gear was too low. There is a section on the driving test report called Eco Driving. This would be marked down.
Okay, we've got two roundabouts coming up now, yeah? At the first roundabout, turn right and take the third exit.
Yeah.
And then at the following roundabout, turn left to first exit. So there's two roundabouts really close together, yeah?
Yeah.
First one, turn right, third exit. Then turn left, first exit.
Now we're coming up to some roundabouts, and this is where the real problems begin for Charlie. If any of you are in a similar position to Charlie and think your instructor isn't teaching you properly or maybe missing stuff out, then make sure you download the Ultimate Driving course. I've made easy to understand videos covering every single topic required to pass the driving test, saving you time and money on driving lessons. And for any of you that still need to do your theory test, I've got you covered with a totally free theory section. Charlie approaches and enters this roundabout well, but instead of taking the third exit, he takes the fourth. Going the wrong way isn't a problem, but when exiting a roundabout, you're moving from the right lane to the left, so you should check the centre and left mirrors before doing so. Charlie doesn't check the mirrors at all.
Fourth on it.
And at this roundabout, if you could go straight ahead and take the second exit.
Second exit.
Yeah, and as soon as you exit this roundabout, there's going to be another roundabout. Turn left at that one, yeah? So straight ahead, then turn left.
We're back at the same roundabout but approaching from a different angle. Charlie makes two serious faults. The first was for signalling right. We're going straight ahead, so no signal was needed on the approach. The second fault was for hesitation. I think Charlie was thinking about which exit to take and wasn't paying that much attention to assessing whether it's safe or not to go. After he missed a few gaps, I had to tell him to go.
Oh, I don't know.
We can go. Go on. Go, go, go. Turning left at this roundabout, please.
Left to the roundabout.
He carries out good observations and joins the carriageway well.
Have you done many big roundabouts yet in your lessons?
No.
No.
That's why I was so confused. It stresses me out. He really not taught me much at all. None of the main stuff.
Here, Charlie thinks there's a roundabout when there's not.
Is it first exit on this one?
On what?
Oh, there's no roundabout, is it? I'm getting so confused.
You're overthinking it now.
I am.
Again, when moving off here, there were no side mirror checks. But the serious fault was not noticing the red lights at this pedestrian crossing. I had to intervene.
Brake. Brake.
Oh. Oh.
Brake. Brake.
Oh. Oh. I'm sorry.
No worries. Select first gear. And carry it. That's when you know you've messed up, yeah.
Yeah. Just because I'm so nervous.
Just try to ignore that. Let's focus on the
Yeah,
next
I'm
Okay.
gonna.
Turn right and take the second exit at the
Right.
roundabout. Sorry. Yeah. Let's try and take the rest of this opportunity for the remainder of the mock test to just learn.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
So, apart from roundabouts, is there anything else that you still haven't covered or don't feel too confident doing when you're driving?
I don't know. Not really.
I guess you know when you know you've covered all the topics in driving, then you know which topics
Yeah.
you're not 100% on. These have been quite good. Your crossroads, turning right, your positioning, you've done a couple of challenging ones. They've been good.
That light though, man, Jesus.
I've asked Charlie to park up because I'm going to stop the test here. I'm going to explain to him the reason for this.
Get away.
Don't worry, that's alright. Secure the car. Put the parking brake on. Just pull that up for me. Okay. So obviously the mock test, there's still about 15 minutes left, yeah. Okay. But I think obviously I've checked what your driving's like.
Yeah.
You understand it's not fully test ready.
Yeah.
We know what you need to work on. So you can, because you've come a long way as well, yeah. Instead of continuing with the mock test, how about if we change it into a bit of a lesson where I teach you how to do stuff properly?
That works.
Yeah, I think that'll
Yeah.
be better for you rather than me
That
just
will.
telling you because you start off not too bad. Just need a bit more control on your turns,
Yeah,
roundabouts. Like you said, you haven't done them before, so there's a few challenging roundabouts here. Yeah, why not me, instead of like just me telling you like you making mistakes on roundabouts, which we can both agree they are going to happen, because every roundabout we come to, there's a bit of confusion there. Yeah. So let me, at least you'll go back with something. At least you go back feeling I've actually learned something today. Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Cool. So guys, we're going to turn the mock test into a lesson. So that's the end of this video. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.